Hello, everybody. It's Keroy King here, author of Divine Soul Whispers and co-founder of Sunshine Financial Services. I'm hanging out here at the office today, So, yes, we do offer mentorship sessions. If you need someone to talk to brainstorm your ideas, you want to write your book, clean up your resume, you want to practice how to interview for that job, reach out to me, and we can definitely help you. Yes, we do financial advisory too. You're earning, but then all your money disappears because you don't have a budget. Yes, we shall help you create a budget for your money. Otherwise, send me a WhatsApp. But today I wanted to read you a poem. Yeah. I hope these poems bless you as they bless me, because life is not supposed to be too hard, you know. There is a simplicity and a joy, all on condition you allow to flow with the rhythm of life, because if you choose to go uphill or upstream, yet the rivers are flowing downstream, you will have hurdles at every point. But once you have that sense, which we all have in our heart, and you start flowing with the river and the rhythm, life becomes more gentle to you. Anyway, let me read to you this poem, The Rhythm of My Heart. I love hearing the rhythm of my heartbeat. It's a sound of hope and courage, a sound of external life, a sound of internal life, a sound that reminds us it's me and you, one soul, one mind, one heart in two human vessels, a sound that forever exists on the earth plane as a sign of divinity, a sound that confirms I have loved you before, I love you today, and will always love you. A sound that cultivates patience, endurance beyond comprehension. A sound that breaks all man-made constructs of what love is. With our hearts beating as one, we shall build kingdoms far and wide, as the divinity in us reflects the divinity in all things. The rhythm of my heart keeps beating on. The rhythm of my heart keeps beating on. I hope that blesses you. Talk to you soon. Bye.